How to use Anki for exams. If you are gearing up for an exam and want to maximize your study time, you might be wondering how to effectively use Anki. This flashcard tool is designed to help you remember information efficiently. Let's break down how to use Anki to prepare for your exams effectively. First, ensure you have a solid understanding of the material before creating your flashcards. Anki works best when you already grasp the concepts. If you create cards without understanding, it can lead to shallow knowledge that is hard to apply during exams. Next, focus on making simple and clear flashcards. Break down complex information into small, specific questions and answers. Avoid lengthy paragraphs or vague prompts. Each card should test one fact or concept. This approach speeds up your review sessions and boosts retention. Now, let's talk about spaced repetition. Anki schedules card reviews based on how well you know each item. This method spaces out your reviews to optimize memory. Make it a habit to review your flashcards daily. If you skip days, it can disrupt the learning process and reduce how much you remember. When reviewing, be honest about how difficult each card is. After answering, rate the difficulty. This feedback helps Anki adjust the review intervals to match your learning pace. It is also important to focus on facts that are likely to appear on your exam. Use Anki primarily for memorizing definitions, formulas, or specific details. It is less effective for understanding broad concepts, so combine it with other study methods for a more rounded approach. Organizing your decks is another key step. Group your flashcards by subject or topic. This makes your study sessions more manageable and helps you identify areas that need more attention. Don't forget to explore Anki's add-ons and features. There are tools like image occlusion, which allows you to hide parts of diagrams, and timed reviews that can enhance your study experience. Keep your cards simple to avoid overwhelming yourself. If a card feels too complex, consider splitting it into multiple cards. Lastly, think of Anki as a second brain. By reviewing daily, you can reduce stress and avoid cramming at the last minute. By following these steps, you can manage your study time effectively. Anki can be a powerful tool for exam preparation, helping you retain and recall information when it matters most.